Hello guys, Mike here with Blue Oryx. Today we are going to be taking a look at a browse abandonment flow. And essentially it's when a person that was on your website leaves your website, and then based on that, they get an email. So let's take a look at it and see exactly how it functions. In order for this flow to work, you need to make sure that you install a Klaviyo snippet code into your website. So your website is talking to Klaviyo in order for this particular flow to take place. Okay. Uh, so let's take a look at the first email that they get. Take a look at the open rate. It's really good. The open rate is 52%. Click-through rate is 2%. And we're sending this message 2 hours after they've left the website or the product that they were viewing. And let's look at the message. The search for effective skincare is over. Keep shopping. You can tell there's very little noise. Um, there's not a lot of distraction. Um, it's very straight to the point. Any questions? They're being helpful. Bundle and save. So they're not being very salesy. More like a little helping hand. And it's a nice aesthetic of the email. Um, as we scroll down, and we wait another day and we send them this message. Still dreaming about it. And the message is, if you're still thinking about Stradia, we've saved this for you. And here, this section is where a product is placed based on what they were browsing the last time they were on the website, or whatever products that they browsed will populate here. We saved this for you. Keep shopping. And then we have some reviews about particular products and what people have to say about them. Okay, so very nice testimonials and very slick design. And then we keep going. There's a time delay of a day, and that's it. Um, this is a draft, so this was not sent out. So yeah, it's a very simple but effective flow that's working for this particular brand. And if your browse abandonment flow is not working, or if you don't even have one yet, we can definitely help you with that. Just click on the link below there at Blue Oryx for a one-on-one or team consultation if you want to just be yourself or your team involved, whatever the case may be. Feel free to click on the link for a screen share consultation. All right, guys, this is Mike. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Ciao.